Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will be continuing the fabric series, which we have I've been coming after 3 weeks because I was busy with my projects and office work. Uh, in this series we will be focusing more on the fabric series only. So let's start with the fabrics. So first of all, as I told you, what the fabric is all about. So today we just move one step ahead, maybe what is fabric is all about, where are we working on the fabric, right? So just two heads up. So fabric is a unified data analytics platform created by Microsoft. It brings together multiple data services such as data engineering, data integration, data warehousing, real-time analytics, and business intelligence into a single platform, right? So, the best example which I can give you for the fabric is, think about you are entering to a restaurant where you have a multiple things, like you have a Indian, you have a Chinese, you have a Italian, right? So it is up to you which food you want to choose, right? So that is the only fabric is all about, right? So out of the many services, it is up to you which services you want to use. Like, so it is a all-in-one platform integrated by a Microsoft, right? So the like why Microsoft Fabric was created. Before a Fabric, we have a different the companies were mostly using a multiple services, like they want to go to ADF, like they need to open the tab, they need to go to a ADF, then they need to go to a Azure, a data lake, Power BI, Synapse, right? So l- lot of time was wasted, and so it is better Microsoft created in all in one platform, which is easy for user as well, like, so that's why it is important nowadays, because it is a all-in-one platform where data scientists can also use, data analysts also can use with the same data, right? So that is a importance of Fabric, right? So Fabric was introduced to solve the problem by providing one platform for all the analytics, one storage layer, one lake. So which I told you already, unified security and easy integration between services. Like, you can jump to other services in a very quick. I will also show you how what all services we can use. Like, so it will be a depth, like all fabric components I will cover in this playlist only. Okay. So, what are the key components of Fabric? So we have a data factory which is used for data integration. ETL pipelines allow data engineers to ingest data from different sources, right? Then we have a data engineering. Then we have a data warehouse, which is a SQL-based analytic engine. Then we have a real-time analytics, which is used mainly for the streaming data, and then finally, which is a Power BI for the end user. Like, you want to showcase the dashboard, the data to end user, right? So that is a end user where your stakeholders come and you are like explaining your data in a form of BI tool as a Power BI, right? So the next is, what is OneLake? So think about OneDrive, right? So in a OneDrive, if you can access to a Google OneDrive, we have a data, like where we can store all the data, like we have photos, videos, then we have images, text, everything of a Google, it is stored in a OneDrive. So same way, OneLake is a central storage for a Microsoft Fabric, where all the data similar to beat data engineering data, data lake, data fabric, Azure Synapse data will be stored into a one lake. So that is a best example. So it is a centralized storage, no data duplication, and it's a easy accessible to across all the services, right? So that's a one lake. So now, what is a lake house? The best example is Lakehouse is a feature of data lake plus data warehouse. So data lake, as you know, is comprised of a raw files, like, So per files, right? So that's a data lake, which is a raw storage, and data warehouse is a structure like SQL, like it's a SQL endpoint. So when we combine these two endpoints, it is known as a lake house, right? So it allow storage of structure, semi-structured and structured data into a one place. Data is usually stored into a using delta format, which is a per format, right? So advantage would be a big data processing, support SQL queries, and support machine learning, right? So if I need to explain you how the data architecture works, so we have a Azure SQL database, then we have a fabric of copy activity, then we have a lakehouse, data warehouse, and the Power BI dashboard. It's a straightforward, simple. So who use Microsoft Fabric? So basically, Fabric is more used for. So basically, it is a platform where all the users can use, but mostly data engineer is for the pipeline ingesting data and transforming data set. Data analyst work for the dashboards, and data scientists use the notebooks and machine learnings, right? So advantage of Fabric, it's a analytic platform integrates with Power BI, right? So, real case use case, if I want to give you example, it's a e-commerce company where customer orders are stored. One important thing I can show you. 2 3 days ago, I have created my Azure account. So most of the users were not getting a trial. So what I did that I'll explain you everything. Let me go to my Chrome. So you can see that I have got my account. So where I have created a different services. So I've created a fabric, which is mainly fabric. So I am using a fabric from the Azure itself because we are getting a 18,000 rupees, right? So you can definitely use that. You have option of play and pause. Right now it's running. So if I want to show you, so that is a fabric. One second. Okay, one second. I guess it's pause. Let me. No, it's not pause. Okay, one second. So yeah. So as you can see that today we will be have, so this is a architecture of fabric, not architecture, it's a overview of fabric. How, so we have a different option. You can build a lake house, build a warehouse, right? So right now what we do that, like we have a different NBFC tables, like we have credit score, customer loan application, loans, and NBFC loans, right? So what I'll do that, so this like this structure I will be following into a next video, not today, because it would be not like, it would be a short video only. From the next, maybe after 1 or 2 days, we will be using these tables, and we would be migrate all this table to a data lake, right? Or I'm sorry, lake house, right? So I will tell you the command of the copy tables and destination, right? So everything will be covered in this series. You just need to wait and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so what first of all, I just also want to tell you workspace. Whenever you come to a fabric, you want to create a workspace. So workspace is if I want to explain you, it's as a container, means you have a different teams. You have a sales team, you have a finance team, you have a retail team, right? So everyone cannot create a one workspace. They have a different set of duties and job, right? So finance have a different set of goals and jobs. Sales have a different set of job, right? So what you want to do, like you just create on new workspace. Already I have created the workspace. One second. So yeah, so I've already created a workspace with the help of fabric underscore dev. And inside that fabric underscore dev, I have just used a lake house for the like destination and NBFC SQL. It's just a, mini project which I've done. So I will be covering everything from the SQL tables to the lake house from end to end in the next video, right? So in the meantime, you just want to get like works. So workspace, it's a just a container of list, like container. Each everyone have a list of containers, right? So inside the containers, you have a different items, right? If you have a copy, job, data flow, like everything we will be covered. You just need to watch this video to the end and everything. And then you have a one lake catalog. So one lake is the same which all the data will be stored into a one lake catalog, right? Then we have a monitor. So if you run any kind of pipeline, you just don't need to go back to there. Like you can just click on a monitor where all of the jobs can be seen here, right? So that's a monitor. Real time is means like you can have a real time data, Fabric events, Azure events. Like it's a real events data mainly. And Fabric Dev is the same which I've told you. So yeah, that's like whole process how we can deal with the Fabric. So I just click on Home now. First of all, I'll tell you what I have done. So I have created a workspace. So Azure's like you like if you want to create a free Azure account, just don't create with the help of Gmail or Outlook. It must be having a so if you want to say like see what I have created. I have created admin at the rate Siddharth. This is my Gmail account, and then I have used the on Microsoft.com. So what it does that it will give the access, right? So I have created also a DB also from here, SQL database. So if you click on Fabric DB, so this is the information I have created. You just need to select Central India always. So right now, if you can see that SQL is paused. Uh, One second. So yeah, I have this is my DB. Sorry, but my DB is not paused. One second. If I want to run, okay. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it was paused because I have not used for some time. So it got automatically paused. Now it will uh, take some time around 30 to 45 seconds because you just need to switch the DB. So yeah, one second. I have used. So yeah, it will now it's stating that resuming, right? So it will so yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. So if you face any kind of difficulties, like like how we can obtain a Microsoft Fabric for free using a Microsoft account, so you can tell me in the comment box. I can create a dedicated video how you can guys start, and yeah, you can connect to me on the like to my YouTube channel only. You can comment it and I can just create a video. It would be beneficial for you guys as well, right? So if I show you my, yeah, if you can see now, I can show you these are the account credit score, which we will be doing a project on these tables to explain you how we can use a copy job, right? So let's go back to the fabric now. Yeah. We will also go for the Medellin architecture as well, and every feature we would be covering. I have not used trial as of now because I'm using directly from the Azure itself, right? So yeah, it would be beneficial for me also. Uh, so guys, yeah, that's it for today. I will be covering a new concept now in a fabric in the next class, which we will be doing a uh, theory plus project because it would be a combination of both theory and project because that is a most important concept which is for data engineer, right? So if you like my video, guys, please subscribe to my channel and also please share to the one who want to learn my Microsoft Fabric or the Azure. Uh, and yeah, thank you. Have a great day.